Hi, everybody. This is Leti from Your Number One Ingredient, where we're always putting love into our food that we cook. Today, we're going to be doing a turkey breast. So, I just want to go over real quick the ingredients of what I used. It's a little different from my turkey recipe if you've seen it. We have salt, paprika, rosemary, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, olive oil, and this one's infused with some garlic. I'm also gonna chop four garlic cloves that I almost forgot I don't have right here, but I'm gonna be doing that. And I also sliced some citrus. This is an orange, and de estas, ¿cómo se llaman, hijo? Ya se me andaba olvidando, grapefruit. And I have a lemon too. And we have a turkey breast right here. We're not going to do a whole turkey. We're just going to do a turkey breast. Because anyway, that's what they like to eat here most. I also used a bar of butter. One tip on the butter, let it thaw. Let it be, even if you have to put it in the microwave, like 30 seconds so it's soft. Because if it's not soft, it's not going to stick on your turkey meat here. So make sure that we get it out early or a day before so it's nice and soft. You put them all in here. You put your butter, you put your oil and everything else. You mix it and it becomes this paste right here. See, we mix it real good and it's a paste. Now I have my turkey breast all cleaned out, washed it real good. I'm going to put my hand in here carefully and stretch the skin as best we can. Stretch our skin so that we can put all that flavor. Well, I ripped it. See, you got to be more careful than me. Sometimes that happens. It's okay. You do the best you can. You stretch it as best you can. Try not to rip it. Okay, there we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get some of this paste and we're going to put it in here, in your bird. It's like a paste. I'm going to put it all in there so the flavors go in there. I'm going to put it as far as we can. Okay. And of course, we're going to rub it, give it a nice rub. You see when the butter, like I told you, it sticks. Now, if it was hard, you wouldn't be able to do this. So that's an important step. Okay. Okay, once we have it, we put the breast side down. Now we're going to get what's left over right here. And I'm sorry I'm not using a spoon, but my hands are clean. I just felt that it was faster. But you can use a spatula, a spoon. But I feel that when you use your hands, you know, you could really rub really good. So then I'm going to place the orange pieces in here just to give it that citrus flavor. And I always like to use a little bit of your preferred wine, just a little bit in the cavity. Gives it a little flavor. It helps tenderize the meat as well. And actually the grapefruit, I was actually going to use it as a bed for my turkey here. I saw a friend do this, so I'm going to try it out. Let you know how it turns out. I'm going to put a couple of sticks of celery, just because, you know, you could make it your own, put whatever you like. Nothing kind of fits no more. A ver. And a quarter of an onion. Just a little bit. Can't fit anymore. Just for flavor. We are going to put this in the oven for 325 Fahrenheit. And it'll cook. This is a 4-pound. So this will cook for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So make sure that we use our thermometer and that we check it. Our oven is already preheated. Let's get it in the oven and we'll check it back in an hour. We don't have to be basting it. So maybe in like an hour we can base it. So let's put 1 hour. Oh, come on. Okay, we'll see you back in an hour. This one. We're all done. Now we're ready to eat. So that's how you make a turkey breast. See you all next time.